All right, happy homeowners. Over here, Riverside, you seen the video earlier today. We got started late, actually, 8 o'clock. It is Sunday. Didn't want to wake up the neighbors too early. We normally don't work Sunday, but these guys closed escrow Friday. Called us up. We rearranged our schedule and got over here so we can help them get moved in. So it's been less than 4 hours, about 3.5. We're taking lunch. We've replaced this board, but look at the difference already. And we've only done our rough sanding. Got this taken care of. Look at that. Place these boards here, a couple of them. Got this puttied up here. Replace 2 or 3 boards in this room. So when you have the proper equipment, and I guess if you know how to use it, you can get a lot done in a short amount of time. But what a difference. This place is going to be fabulous. Whew. All right, you're watching the video. You got any questions? Leave us a message. We'll answer them. If you'd like a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, let us know. Have a great day.